What is up, guys? Welcome back to another online money hooks video. Today we're talking about a really amazing system that I would call is a machine that can help you earn some passive income. We're talking about somewhere between $500 to $1,000 a month for a start, but the potential earnings are endless to over $50,000 per month. It's pretty insane. So today we're gonna be talking about something that's really got me excited, something that's really special. So I'm just gonna go and show you some quick stats of what people have been earning and what people are saying. So here's one person earning that has earned 946 in the last year, in the last 30 days. There's another that's got a lifetime earnings of $51,000 and 2,678 in the last 30 days. Now we've also got something really interesting. You've got this guy, Marcus Fading, that's in charge of traffic, and look at what he's saying. This is insane. 150 clicks into the order and already 3,050 plus opt-in rate. If you aren't using what we're calling now the S.A.M funnel in my traffic, you're missing out big time. So what are we talking about? This right here is what we are talking about, ladies and gentlemen. It's called the secret affiliate machine. How I make over 50,000 in passive income plus got my dream car paid for, and how you can copy me right now. Free access open for the next 50 takers only. So this right here in a nutshell is what's aiding us all these amazing results that we've just seen here. So how are people actually doing this? Well, it's got a different approach to the whole affiliate marketing system in which you promote a product, which is a really smart, solid idea that these guys came up with. So when you look at your typical affiliate marketers, what most of us do when it comes to affiliate marketing is we get traffic, we drive that traffic to the bridge page, then we drive that traffic now to the main offer. Then after the main offer, that's when we do a follow-up. But with this system right here, it's a whole different system. It's the reverse of this, and the results from this strategy that I'm going to show you really below are really insane. Like, they're just mind-blowing. People are going crazy about this funnel. Everywhere you go, you search it on YouTube, you go Facebook, you search. People are going insane about the secret affiliate marketing machine. This is a really legit funnel that has been built to help you earn passive income on autopilot. So we're gonna dive right into it and see how this works. So with the done for you S.A.M funnel, which is this is how they've reverse engineered affiliate marketing. So what they have is, you get traffic, you drive that traffic to the main offer, as opposed to, let me just do some backspaces. Oh shit. Okay, we got it. So if you see here, we've got traffic, bridge page, main offer, follow up. Here we have no bridge page. Here we have traffic, main offer, affiliate to, and then follow up. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the sweet spot of all these amazing commissions. Let me zoom in so you can see properly what we're talking about. $51,000, 2,678 US dollars. Doesn't get sweeter than that. So how does this work? Well, results from real-time people. This guy just recently updated. This was on the 23rd of May. I'm just gonna zoom in by 150% so you guys can see it properly. These stats were from yesterday, 23rd. Today is the 24th, depending on what time you're watching this video. And this guy is already earning upwards of $100 a day, as you can see. 2,000 there, $4, 199, 62, 297. There is no consistency, but look at how much he's earned in the last 30 days. 7,000 US dollars in the last 30 days. This is sick. You want this? I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get this funnel. But let me talk a little bit so you guys can have an idea of how to use this to your advantage. So what you want to do is you want to follow the link in this description. So what happens is you get traffic and you put up this funnel. Your traffic comes here, they watch this video, which is really an amazing introduction video that just shows them everything. Really well done video. Once they watch that video, they will definitely get in and sign up. Once they sign up, they're gonna be brought to the next page. They sign up and submit, move forward, they'll be brought over to this page. Step 2, launch the secret machine. This single to launch your new income stream. So you don't need to do anything. You don't have to do anything. This is basically promoting ClickFunnels in a whole different way. And the good thing about this is anybody can promote this. All you have to have is have this funnel, do some few edits that I'll show you, and you'll be on your way to go. So what's step 2? So the second step is while they come here, you'll get to watch also this next video that will show them everything about this funnel. Then the next step is they'll have to create an account. They'll have to create the machine account for this whole thing to work, because you can't run this without having a ClickFunnels account. So they're all gonna come here, create the free machine account. Takes just 60 seconds. Once they are done that, they'll get back here and go to the next step. So that next step now brings them to step 3, where they get now the thing that we're talking about, which is the secret affiliate machine. So you'll come over here, watch the video, and it'll give them the exact steps that they'll need to take. So you don't need to put any effort in. All you have to do is just to link them to this funnel and to do everything for them. This is an in-house built for you click magic money making machine. They're gonna come here, and what's gonna happen is they are gonna import a secret funnel. Or alternatively, once they sign up for you and maybe reach out, you can send them the funnel manually because you have it. So then to give them the exact instructions that they'll need to do on this page. So I don't need to go into details of what's going to happen. You want to understand better, there'll be a link in the description. You come over to this page and you take the steps so that you understand what's going on and follow through the exact steps that are shown. So this video right here outlines everything, every step. Step A, step B, step C, which takes them to the next step, where it shows them now how to get traffic. Because remember guys, like we talked about here, we need traffic to the main offer, then to the affiliate too. So it go back to the first. So this step right here now will give your traffic or your leads or the people that you're introducing to this funnel a source where they can get traffic. They'll come through the video, follow the steps, send traffic, and they're done. Then they'll go to the next step, which is to get traffic for affiliate machine. Sorry, what step was this? So this step and that step are just the same. So step back slightly. They import the copy, then they'll go into ClickFunnels inside where they'll get the affiliate links and edit this whole thing where it needs to be edited, and they'll run it through as well. Then they are gonna go and get traffic. After they've done this step, they'll get traffic, run that traffic to the first page, which will take them through these steps. Then they're gonna come to this stage, get traffic, go to the next step, and they're done. That's it. Congratulations, your machine is launched and live, and that's all that's needed to be done right here. Once they come here, or you come here and edit it, you can edit this part where you can include some of your free trainings that you may have, links to your affiliate group. Once people come through this, they can go to your group and you can promote some extra affiliate links like the one funnel away challenge, which is $100 commission, expert secrets, highest paid speaker. So this all is just meant to promote ClickFunnels, but in a different, more transparent way and easier for anybody to do this. So this is not a get rich quick scheme, but the results are insane. Most people are running solo ads to this, which is yielding them results maybe in say 24 to 48 hours. Once your campaign starts running, you start seeing some results. That's how people are making money now. This is 2019, guys. You have to get on the trends. So that was just a quick review and tutorial and walkthrough of the S.A.M funnel. This is the S.A.M funnel, a secret affiliate machine. So the way this was designed is pretty smart. So all you want to do is get traffic, run traffic to this opt-in page. Then the process starts. The people will come here, they'll sign up for ClickFunnels account. Once they sign up for ClickFunnels account, they'll go to the next step. Now the advantage of them having this account is once they start paying for this account, you're gonna be get any commission of 90. This costs $97 per month or $297 per month, and commission is 40% on most of the products. So all these products that you see here, people coming and purchase through affiliate link, they get a commission. You get a commission, sorry. So it's pretty easy. As you can see, there are instructions here, copy link. So it's done for you. Don't need to put in anything. All you have to do is just get this funnel, edit a few bunch of stuff. You can go through it yourself and see the stages that you need to take, make the changes that you need to make, and get some traffic through the traffic sources right here that have been advised to be the best traffic sources to run this machine through. So that's all I really had for you guys. This was just going to be a quick tutorial and nothing much. I don't want to go on forever. It's late now. It's almost 2:30 in the morning where I am right now. I haven't got some sleep like for the past few days, and really need to get my head straight now, guys. But anyway, one more thing is, if you click the link in the description and you get this funnel, you can email me, or you can let me know in the comments somewhere. You sign up. Anyway, I'll be able to know if you go through and sign up through the link in the description, and you get this one. Okay, basically once you get this funnel through the link in the description, I'll be able to send you the bonus email swipes. So this is where the sweet spot is. It's in the follow-ups. So these email swipes are there to help you follow up with your traffic, follow up with your customers, and ensure you get more customers on the funnel. So I'll get you some really done for you email swipes that have been proven to convert really well, that I'm also using at the moment, that you guys can implement so that everything is automated. You don't want to have the stress of everything and all that. You want things to be automated. All you want to focus on is really traffic. Is that just driving traffic, nurturing your email list, nurturing your customers, your downline, and you get rewarded for that. So hit me up once you get this funnel, once you set up your ClickFunnels account under my link. And if you have any issues in doing anything, whether it to be connecting an autoresponder, driving traffic, writing emails into your autoresponder, automating everything, you can always reach out. I can do it for you for free if you're signed up under me for ClickFunnels. So thanks very much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.